81. Right off the start, we have soccer kicking Twinkies grabbing a ton of those cubes. Meanwhile, their double chickens already scoring 2 in the goal. Tons of green cubes in this soccer kicking Twinkies team. All reds have been pushed off of the post, giving a 15-point bonus to the team as we get to 35 seconds and we switch drivers. With 25 seconds left, you must have switched drivers. Soccer kicking Twinkies lining up. Soccer kicking Twinkies putting a ton of green cubes into this goal. With 3 seconds left, teams are going for the board. Alright, moving on to qualification match number 81. We have 50802G, Ramen Noodles, and 4030